Hi there. So one of our community member is facing a problem related to passing a query parameter. So I have created this video for him. So let's say here is the API call, and he want to pass this status, pending status, to the backend on click of our on selecting a specific filter. So we need to go here in API call. So let's say he can create an API call. Let's say the API call is okay, test API call is fine, and the URL is this one. So he want to pass some query parameters here. So to pass query parameter, there is a way to hard code this value inside over here, but the other way is that we can pick this value from variables. So let's say the variables can be like status, and the type is going to be obviously the string, and it can get a specific value from when value is passed. So you can take it from there. You even can define some constant, then combine some strings, and at the same time you can pick it from environment values as well. But here our main purpose is to selecting this value from the value passed from our API call, from our UI builder. So let's say this is setup, status is setup, and now in query parameters I would like to add that status, and I will pick the value source from variable, and then here is our status is passed. So this is pretty much simple and very straightforward. So we first created variable, and then we are picking a query parameter from that particular variable. So this will be set up in that way, and this variable is going to be passed from our query from our UI builder. So we already have a UI builder, so I will save it. In fact, I can just try it out, and it already passing that variable over here. If I pick status, I need to pass the value equal to pending. So this is just for testing purposes over here, but obviously this value will be passed from our UI builder. So I'm gonna use this API call, and this is our screen. Let's say when screen loads, I can just run a specific action. On load, I can make an API call, and this API call is going to be this test one. Okay, now here I can set this that particular variable. So variable will be status, and yeah, here I can set status value equal to pending. Obviously this is a UI, and I'm passing from here, and like our member has asked in that question, he's facing a problem with that value, so he's unable to pass that value in UI through that variable. So yeah, so here this is set up, and API call can be triggered. Okay, now the other way is you can have a drop down, and when drop down is changed, you can create a variable inside your widget state. So this variable will be like status, and the type will be obviously string or enum, whatever is defined. So initial value can be pending or live, whatever. So this is our variable. When user click on, let's say, that particular button or pick that particular value, then here you can add an action, and like update page state. At the same time, you can, like here already selected, you can update status. Status will be your set value, and the value will be, let's say, pending you have set. And so with that value you can, let's say, when this button is clicked, let's say this is a container, when click you have already updated the status state, like here, and like this it is updated, and this is page state. And now moving forward to our API call, which is on, I added this API call on widget load actually, but you can add this API call after that action. So let's say I go here, I can just cut action, sorry, cut action chain, and here I clicked. Let's say this is my filter again, and I can add more action and paste action check. Okay, the state of the widget is now updated, obviously. Sorry, the variable, I will pick it from page state, and now the value is status unset. When I will be passing this variable to API call, then I will pick this value. Okay, makes sense. Sorry, some mistake happened. So now when I click that button, first I will update a variable on page state, and then after that, that variable when updated with selected status like pending, value is pending, and then it will make an API call and passing that variable to status variable, and with pending status. So that variable is gonna come over here, then will be passed to query parameters, and then API call will trigger. So this is all you need to do. I hope this video is gonna help you. Please like my comment, like my video. Thank you.